Right, these are the problems we've got. This key was one we had in stock. I'll put in the email when we bought it. I think it was just in late December. And if I read the transponder, no transponder detected. And if I press the button, it does light up. This one here we've programmed to the car, and it will start the car, but it's got a weird delay thing happening when you try to start the car. Again, read the transponder, and it's there, it's locked to the vehicle. And then this is the other key that came at the same time with that. We haven't programmed this key yet, but we're going to program it now. Now what I found out with these two keys is if I go into the remote clone, this key, which has no transponder, does actually make frequency. And this one that is programmed to the car doesn't make any frequency on any button and has the light flashing. So there's obviously some fault with both of those keys. It's a Skoda, Yeti, no, Karoq. We're into the diag on it. We are going to read the MO data. Okay, login method 1, okay. I have got the column out and the key is on the side of the column. It's logged in, the dashboard's gone out. Okay. Okay. So we've got the data. We've done that. We're now going to make a dealer key. Switch on with the working key. Next. It's logged in. Okay, we can see we've got key 1 and key 2 programming. So there, it's a Skoda. Next. Okay. If you make a deal with no key, it doesn't spoil. Okay, yeah. Okay. Skoda normal dealer key. Yep. Okay, we're going to add a key in this process. Input the original key into the VVDI2. There we go. Okay. Not going to save the sync data because it's already saved on here. Input the new key into there. Okay, that. Okay, that. So we can now reset the cluster, and that's back on. And then we're going to add the key. So again, the key's back in. Add key. Correct. Key learning number is going to be key 3. And we'll load the MO data, which is that one. Next. Is car keyless? Yes. Put the dealer key on the switch and switch it on. We have done. Total key number 1 of 3. Please put key number 2 in the ignition sense. So that's key 1 out. Key 2 is in. Okay. So that says that's learned in key number 2. Take that out. And we'll put in key number 3, which is the one we have just generated. Okay, so that is there. Okay, that. And it says all keys learned successfully. Okay, so if I now take that key out, turn the ignition off. So with this key in here, it should turn on. It says key not detected. So I'm getting key not detected. If I put the key on the coil, I didn't press the button, the ignition just came on. And if I go back to my original keys, so that's the original car key. That one will do that. That one will do nothing. Oh, that one's just locked it. How about that? And it may have just turned the ignition on. Okay. So that we're not in any doubt. There we go. It's not starting the vehicle. So this one will lock it, but it won't start it. That's key number 3, which we just programmed in front of you live there, a brand new key. What did I do wrong in that process? Why is that key able to lock and unlock the car, but not start the car?